So there's a lot of different ways. These are just a few of them in some of the early academic research on this. It's a topic that we'll follow. Something that kind of blew my mind, though, there's another study from JetBrains, which is the IDE. They do a developer survey, and 59% of developers in that survey said that they don't trust AI tools to do security well. So if you think back to that Stack Overflow survey where people are excited about this, they are going to use these tools, but even developers are already nervous on the security angle here. And so it's something that we want to be really mindful of. I think another sort of proof point here is when we released our MCP server, within a few weeks, we went from 0 to hundreds of stars in GitHub. And I think that's because developers are excited to use AI and use LLMs and use AI native tools like our MCP server to actually look for vulnerabilities and improve the code that they write from a security perspective. And then to summarize, kind of at the end of the day, the volume of code that's about to be written and is already being written is actually a problem in and of itself. So according to a survey by Elite Brains, 41% of all code, I think it was 256 billion lines, were written by AI last year. Pretty amazing. Google has a quote that about a quarter of all of their code is now AI generated. And so even if the rate of vulnerabilities stays the same, or even if it improves slightly with AI, the absolute number of issues is going to rise because there's just so much more code that's being generated. And so this is something that security teams really, really need to think a lot about.